reach the manufacturing sector. There it is made into a finished product. Then it is transported. Again it goes to the market area. So these things we have seen, but we will see literally what is happening in the sectors. Okay, come, let us get to input. So first thing if you see is that this is input. So input is that is needed for the industries as an raw material. So industries raw material is the input. So this input is the raw material of the product that you are getting, and also it includes certain other things like land, laborers for working, capital, and if you are an entrepreneur. So other factors like entrepreneurs and also the infrastructure is included in the input of the manufacturing sector. Then this raw material is manufactured, raw material is being converted into a form of a raw material, and it is taken into the agro-based industries. If it is in sugarcane, imagine it is in sugarcane. The sugarcane is being harvested and it is being taken along the transportation process to the next area of the factory. Okay, so in the factory area, what is being done is that in the factories you can find it will be manufactured into different products like sugar canes, jaggeries, molasses. All these things might be produced over there, and it will be packed in good containers, right? So it will be packed in good containers. It will be like an attractive containers will be used for packing these kind of things, and then it will be taken to the outer areas, out processing products will be taken to the transportation to the marketplace. In the market area, it will be sold at a rate of interest. Along with the rate of interest, it will be sold. Then the money which is being got will be utilized by the manufacturer, will be utilized for even buying the raw material. Okay, again raw material is brought using the sold product. The remaining is being kept as a profit, and the raw material is again brought. Then you can see that it is transported. Then it is made into a finished product, sold out. Again, this process continues in the form of a circle. So this is known as the industrial market linkage. This industrial market linkage is really playing an important role in our Indian economy. So if anywhere it has some barriers, for example, raw material is not available, very less of raw material is available also, you can find that the factory's production will not be higher and the GDP of the nation will get decreased, and transportation facility is not available. Also you can find that there will be a problem which will be there, where you can find that transportation cannot be taken in a proper manner, and this will lead to the drawback in the productions. Okay, so these are things about the industrial market linkage. Then you can see that we have in your book, that is figure 6.2, that is the ideal location of industry, already that we have seen. So the key decision for the factories, and the government even have certain other policies that has to be followed. When an industry is established, it should get a proper license, labor should be provided certain kind of facilities, all these things are there. So that when you come to the other classes you will be studying, or in civics you will be studying. So next thing is about the ideal location. As we saw in previously, the cost of obtaining the raw material is very, very important. And then the next thing is the cost of production at a site, how much it is produced. Then the decision of the local factories at a site, and the cost of the distribution of the production. So if you are getting a biscuit at the cost of 10 rupees, okay, rupees 10, that means it might have undergone so many process, right? From a manufacturer, from an agriculturalist, they would have got the wheat. Okay, so the wheat will be brought, and the wheat will be made into flours in the factories, manufacturing areas. Okay, it only not only made as in flours, it will get other byproducts also. So when they are doing that, it will be sent to the biscuit factory, the wheat flour, right? So along with the wheat flour, they will add certain other things like cocoa powders, sugars, and ingredients. Other ingredients will be added. Then only it comes in the product of a biscuit at the cost of 10 rupees. about today's revision class, students. Remaining we'll see in the next class, students. Thank you, take care, and at the same time learn. Okay, bye students.